Just like Jana. I got sticker POX! Oh no! I have sticker POX! We need to go to the doctor! Doctor!
Come on in.
Doctor, I have sticker POX. Huh? Are you a doctor?
Oh no! You need to lay down here. Okay. Sanitize. Oh no! What is that? I think I got the sticker box. Oh no! I got the sticker box.
Okay, now I think I'm the doctor now.
Oh. Thank you.
What?
Thank you.
What?
Thank you.
What?
Do you clean your ear?
No.
Oh no. I have to check your ear.
What?
I have to check your ear.
What?
I have to check your ear.
Okay.
I need to clean your ear.
What?
I got you. Oh no, I think she has some frogs in her ear.
What?
I have to clean your ear. Oh no, do you clean your ear?
No.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Ew. I'm going to clean my ears every day.
I'm going to write prescription for you.
Okay.
Here.
Huh? What is this?
We should check your eyes. Here. This.
E.
This.
Rabbit.
This.
Oh, that's so easy. Sheep.
What? I think you need glasses. You need this glass. Give me this. I think you need this glass. Give me this. Show me how you watch iPad.
Oh, this is how I watch TV. TV. Sometimes like this. And sometimes like this. And sometimes like this. And then I like this. Sometimes like this. And sometimes like this. This is how I watch iPad.
Oh, this is not good. Kids, remember you should watch iPad 20 to 40 minutes a day. And if you're watching iPad in the evening time, you should turn on the light. And make sure you have enough distance between you and your iPad. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And don't forget to subscribe, just like Jana.